Good morning, everyone. It is Saturday, and it's the day that we go trick or treating. Last night I stayed up pretty late. I wanted to finish that cake, and I think I finished around 1 o'clock in the morning. It's not looking so great. it's I don't get as much practice decorating cakes as I used to, so I'm trying to get back into that. I did my best. It's a simple little cake. I think it's okay. I think it'll be okay. I woke up late because I was exhausted. And now we're about to have like brunch, basically, for breakfast. The kids are just kind of lounging around. They woke up late too. So our daughter again didn't let us sleep very well last night. So it's gonna be one of those days. Nelson is making bacon right now, so I'm gonna go over there and help him finish breakfast. So today I gotta get baby girl's costume ready. I didn't get to do that yesterday and everything that we were doing. We already have our guys here this morning working on the stone. They were adding mortar in between the rocks. There's like several steps to it because they add the mortar, then they got to let it dry a little bit, and they got to scrape off the excess, and they got to let it dry a little bit, and then they got to like brush it to smooth. And that's kind of what they did with our stone fireplace when they built it. Um, so I'm not sure what stage they're in right now or like what they're doing if they're because I see some mortar. I've looked out my window and I see some mortar put in already, but it's just sitting there. So I'm wondering if they're either working on another part of the house or it's like that time where they have to let it sit and they're just kind of waiting on it for it to dry so they can go to the next step. Um, Let's see what else. We're supposed to be hanging out with friends after we go trick or treating. Actually, we're going to go with friends to trick or treat. We usually have like this nice little group. We all go together and then we go and have like food afterwards at a friend's house. So that's where we're going to be singing happy birthday. I like to get a few things done and tidy up a little bit and just organize some things. I wanted to spray paint something before we left. Well, let's see if we have time because I didn't wake up as early as I wanted to. But yeah, that's kind of what the agenda is for today. All right, so we had breakfast, and it took me a while to clean up the kitchen because there was just so much stuff everywhere. Also, the kids have been helping me fold a little bit of laundry, and then my son helped me put some bins away that were in the kitchen that were just kind of taking up space. Now, Nelson just asked me to go outside and take a look really quick at the rock work. It looks like the guides might be done, and they actually left, but so we think they are done. So we'll just have to talk to the boss man eventually and just kind of go over everything with him, and then we should be done with that part of the house. So I'm really excited. Let me go take a look. All right, so Nelson and I came back in and we filmed another little section for a sponsored post video that I have coming up. And our entrance is less stuff is happening. Our girl Rose is outside in that little cage right there. We have like moving blankets all over her to keep her cozy and just kind of keep the sunlight away from her because she's kind of groggy from her meds and she's cranky, and so she's right outside her front door. We have to keep an eye on her. So we'll let her out every, hour or so to let her go to the bathroom if she needs it. But we're keeping a close eye on her. And by the way, they are outside dogs. Our two dogs, they do stay outside. They have like their little houses. They have like where they go to sleep and everything. And then in the wintertime, we do bring them into the garage now that we have our garage. When we didn't have our house, we have like this little shed, this little laundry shed that had a heater and everything. We would bring them in at night and they would sleep cozy in there. So they're used to being outdoors. Um, and then like right there is the box of the stuff that we just unboxed. But the good thing is that we have more space in the foyer. We still have those boxes right there to unbox. But we're going to leave that because we won't have enough time today to do that.